Okay.
Alright, so for all the losers who left, I want to be
You just went
I'm watching this video, and I'm going to make it long, too.
Oh, you are?
I'm going to talk really slow.
Oh, because then we're going to finish.
In the oblique prism, we already have the base area, which is here. And the base area is being multiplied by the height here for the total volume here. Everybody got this?
Yeah! Oh, you
Let's just wait for everybody to
Yes.
That's
Can't change it, Miss King.
Jamie, give us something.
All right. So here,
One.
we're going to find the width of a
What we got?
You write that?
prism.
Boo.
Hello.
Yeah?
This right there.
The volume, always length with the height.
Do we draw that for you?
So, yeah.
Right? What's highlighted, my brother?
Miss Keith, what happens when you're done highlighting? Like when you're done with the lesson, do you erase it all?
Yeah, I'm going.
No?
You just leave it like that?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I erased everything that I did. Yeah, I do.
It's my favorite song. JK.
That was good.
So this one's a little bit different because this time they give us the volume. We're not finding the volume. So we have 9,625 feet cubed is the volume. So we're still using the same formula. We're just filling in all the information we know. So what do we know? We know the volume. So replace the V. So we replace the V with 9,625. The L, do we know the length?
Yeah, no. Yes, 31 feet.
31 feet.
Thanks.
Do we know the width?
Nope.
So that stays a W. And do we know the height?
Yes. Well,
So what are we solving for?
for height. Wait, no. For width.
We're solving for width. We're solving for the W. So what's our main goal here?
To solve for width.
And isolate the So we're going to isolate the variable. So first we multiply 31 times 12. We get 372. And to solve for W then, we're going to divide both sides by what?
By 372. Thanks.
So this is, you're going to go out there with them if you don't stop. So this is 9,625 divided by 372. Okay?
That's too much.
So 372 goes into 962 two times. Okay? 2 times 2 is 4. 14. Here we go. 1.
So much.
What's that? Bring down the 5. 372 goes into 2,185 about 5 times. So if I were to keep, I'm not going to do it, but if I were to keep dividing this, your answer would be about, that's approximate, not equal, but approximately 25 and 87 hundredths. So what does this number represent? What's 25 and 87 hundredths? What is it? The what?
The
The width. Very good. So the width is about 25 feet. Right?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No. No.
Yes.
No.
Yep.
Yes.
No.
Yep. And I'm just.
Come on.
Go.
All right.
I'm gonna.
Now, you don't have to write any of this down.
Yes.
I'm just going to explain it. So this is a complex solid because it's made of several different sizes of the same prism. So if we look at this prism, right? And there's another one on top of it, different size, and another one, right? So how would I find the volume of this whole thing?
Multiply the height times
Can we
width.
write that down?
No. So I would
to all of them.
I would have to do it to all of them and then do what?
Multiply.
Add them all together. So I would have to find the volume of each one and then add them all together.
Can't you?
Okay?
Wait.
What?
Can't you like first figure out those three and then multiply, then add those three and then multiply by 5 or 4? Because that's how many.
Of these you mean?
Yes.
Well, let's look at the next page and we'll see, okay? All right. The only thing that's the same is the height. Everything else is different. Okay? So the height each time is 13 feet, but everything else is different. All right? So, I want you to write all of this down.
Oh my God!
So, you're going to write that, and that. And draw this pyramid.
Wow. That's all bad.
Sorry, guys. So once you have all that, then it gives you the volume of each one. So this is the volume of the first pyramid, the second, the third, and the fourth. Write all that. Then you're going to add all those numbers together. So make sure you get that down. And then you have your total volume. So that you know when you have a complex figure of different sizes, you have to find the volume of everything and add it together. So if I were to take a cube and put a cylinder on top, I have to find the volume of the cube, the volume of the cylinder, and do what?
Put it on top.
Add it together to find the total volume. So anytime you have complex shapes and you want to know the volume of them, you have to sometimes add them together. Like buildings, for instance. Not every building is just a straight prism, is it?
No.
Like the Empire State Building goes, and then it goes,
And then it goes. And then it goes.
right? So you have to find the volume of each part to get the total volume of the Empire State Building, okay? All right, so this is our guided practice. So, all I want you to do is write that, write this.
Really?
Okay. Yeah. It's easy enough to draw, you guys. You're just drawing
I was just playing.
a right triangle, another right triangle, and connecting or make it offset though. And then connecting the sides together. Sorry, over here maybe. Right triangle. And then connecting the sides, right? So this one goes to this one, this one goes to this one, this one goes to that.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
All right? It's not going to look exactly the same, but I don't care.
Mine looks exactly the same.
So this is 3, this is 4, this is 2. All
Well,
right?
what about the?
So everybody, what's the height of this?
2.
Exactly. 2 inches. That's your answer.
Letter voice.
Right?
Ow.
You done?
Go, Miss King.
Wait.
Man.
Little brother. Oh, that's what takes from the house.
Now don't draw it again. Now just write the question. You already have it drawn. So number 2, question. What's the base area? So let's find the area of the base. What shape is the base?
Triangle.
What's the formula for area of a triangle?
Half time. Wait, I don't know. Hold on. Base times height.
Good.
Right?
Half base times height. So here's my triangle.
Is this Adele?
What's the base?
Oh.
So area equals half my triangle that I'm finding the area of. This is my base. What's the base of this triangle?
We don't know. 12.
Nine.
6.
T.
One of these is the base. What's the
A
base?
triangle.
4.
To the 4 or 3. Exactly. To the 4 or 3. Does it matter because I'm multiplying?
No.
No, I don't care which one it is. You're multiplying them anyway. 4 times 3 is the same as 3 times 4. It's not going to change. So what's the base?
4.
Okay, and the height?
3.
Wait, no, it's the height.
Right? So how much is the area?
12.
4 times 3 is 12. Times half.
6.
Girls,
12 divided in half.
what is it?
6.
6.
Oh!
Inches.
Inches. Square.
Wow.
So in your first question, you told me what the height was, 2 inches. Now in your second question, you just gave me the base area. So now you gave me the 2 parts I need to find the volume. Okay? So number 3, don't draw it. Same thing now. What's the volume? We already have it. What was the height? So remember the volume equals the base area that we just found times the height. That was number 1. So the volume is, what was the base area number 2?
It's gonna be 12.
What was the base area number 2? And what was the height number 1?
2.
So what's the volume?
Excuse me.
12
Inches.
inches,
Square.
not square.
Cube.
Volume. We have 3 dimensions now, length, width, and height. So it's cube.
Wait.
There.
Wait.
You could go now, Miss King.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's get
I gotta see
a
something.
little bit rowdy.
Oh, okay.
D-Y.
What'd you say? We had to go back because somebody forgot to look at something, so we're back.
Go.
We're just gonna fast forward it.
Ding.
Ah.
Go.
It's already 13 minutes in there.
Ready?
Dale.
Wait.
Hey, Miss Key, it is long. It's like 13 minutes.
Go.
Wait, go back to number 1.
Oh.
All right.
Too slow.
So the difference between a right prism and an oblique prism is that the right prism
Friends, that's one.
has right, no. The right prism has right angles. So this right prism, look at how I'm drawing it. I'm making right angles. Does everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, what do we do? Do we
So,
draw that?
no. All right. An oblique prism is kind of set off to the side. It doesn't have right angles. So,
Why? Like a
is that a right angle?
No.
No, it's not.
Why?
Is this a right angle?
No.
No. Oops, I made it too big. None of these are right angles. So an oblique prism is the same kind of thing except it's made without right angles.
What
Oh,
are,
God.
Do you see the difference?
It just looks like a cube, but tilted.
Exactly. It looks the same but tilted, but the difference is in the angles at the corners. If it forms a perfect 90-degree corner right angle, then it's a right prism. If it doesn't, then it's not a right prism. It's called an oblique prism.
Hey.
Oh, I love that cereal.
Blueberries.
Blueberries
All
bomb.
right?
That's real?
You guys,
Miss King, I have a question.
you don't have to draw it, but find the volume.
Miss King, I have a question.
Squeeze me. Squeeze me till I laugh.
Let's see how you guys do. I got it. Go ahead.
Your teacher.
Yeah, but you guys, I know you.
Live.
Got you.
that's like so fake.
Bless you. Wait. Thank you.
I'll give you a clue. Multiply by 10 last. Because it's so easy to multiply by 10, you just add a 0 to the number you already have. Right?
Well, I'm finished.
Son canciones las que tenemos que escuchar.
Oh my god.
Wait.
La vamos a escuchar cuando ya ¿verdad? Oh, sí, claro.
What else?
So, Cynthia,
Yes.
do I know the volume?
Yes.
This is problem, give me the volume.
No, it doesn't.
So then a V. Doesn't give me the length.
Yes.
What's the length?
10.
10 is the lead.
No, 6.
Does it give me the width
Yes, 2.
and the height?
Yes. 10. 10.
She ate it. She got it.
Mama?
12. 120. 120.
120.
Oh.
100.
120.
120 inches cubed.
100.
Oh.
I have $100.
I wonder what they're doing there. I bet you they're stretching.
I have $100 left.
2 more pages.
Right,
we're
soccer.
done.
This is how they know how big to make the tissue box.
That's actually real, the 4 inches high. The 5
Yeah.
inches.
No, they have taller ones.
No.
Way taller.
Oh no, what are they doing?
What are you doing?
I can see.
So what's the formula?
Volume equals length with height.
Do I know the volume already? I do?
Stick the banana in there.
Do I know the length?
Don't repeat
What?
it. What's wrong with you?
Do I know the width? What? Do I know the height? What?
4.
Hebrew.
Have a comment done.
So
I hope you do.
again, since we can multiply in any order, let's save the 10 for last. Because it's the easiest one. 5 times 4?
It's gonna be 120.
20 and a 0.
120.
100.
Inches?
110.
Wait.
200 is good.
200 in oil.
One has to do this at home. Cause well,
Floating.
Alan has to do this.
Sea bass.
It's nice in here, isn't it?
Yes. It's awesome.
it's quiet for once.
I know.
No, we just missed the gap.
Are we done?
And Johnny.
This is my
Rubik's
How was it
Cube.
done?
My favorite.
How was it done?
What's
I
the
thought
number,
it
King?
was you said 14 of 15, so I thought it was 14.
Miss King,
Will be
did
done, but I-
Miss King, did we have to do that?
What?
Did we have to do all that?
Do all this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Page,
Make sure
yeah,
they draw
flip that page because I.
make sure they draw
Since
the-
you didn't highlight it, I
Miss
didn't do
King.
it.
Yeah.
Make sure.
I guess.
Just this.
This key, don't they have to make sure
I
they
just
do that?
do it.
Draw the
Highlight it.
Kleenex?
I'll do the Kleenex. Hebrew.
Make sure. Yeah. Monster.
Monster.
I'm a monster.
Detention tomorrow, don't do it. Go.
Perfectly straight line.
I don't. No, not really.
I have the right guy to practice.
Pinche toalla de mierda.
I heard that.
I'll give you guys colored pencils. Don't forget to color it too.
Oh man.
Hey, Michelle.
Color it all night.
You guys don't forget to color, okay?
Café para el pan.
The Rubik's Cube. You guys want me to color every square, okay? Draw the whole thing. So you're gonna need red, blue, and yellow, alright?
Alright.
And it's all 7 by 7 by 7.
Totally.
And my finger. 7 by 7 by 7. Why do you have
Alright, everybody, ready?
Now you also join the red part.
Equals what?
Hey, it was getting hay.
Volume equals
7 times 7 times 7.
Equal?
Yes.
Hey, Gotta get a piece of that.
Well, you guys, you gotta start breaking this down into,
500.
distributed property. So what's 40 times 7?
70.
What's 4 times 7?
24.
28 plus a 0.
108.
So 40 times 7 is 280.
208.
So it's down to what?
9 times 7 is what? So we're gonna add 63 to it.
Alright, he's not gonna.
So it's 333
Johnny,
centimeters.
centimeters. Where?
I can't see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dale, 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 Johnny.
280 plus 63. 280
Johnny va a tener
plus 63. Volume equals 343 centimeters squared.
Dariana, I don't like the way those lines are drawn. Redraw that Rubik's Cube one more time. Let's get it right.
Okay, pues.
I'm
still on that blue part.
Are you guys stop dancing on the tables?
You said after 5 minutes.
You need blue?
Yeah.
I'll write you blue.
Okay.
Anybody need another red?
Yeah.